everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make what I like to call a fancy card. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some paper, actually cardstock, and you're going to need some scissors. So what you want to do is you want to fold the card like this, and here's what you want to do. Take your scissors. Now these are different ones from what I've been using, and just cut away. This does become a little bit difficult due to the fact that the paper is doubled up, but it'll work. So now you have your fancy card. You open it, it looks like this. So there you go. This is a fancy card, and then you can write whatever you want inside here and write stuff on the back, and there you go. You have a fancy card for next to no cost. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.